Hey there, this is Sugarcoder. I hope that you're having a wonderful April so far. So in this video, I made a delicious blueberry banana bread. In a bowl, I added the eggs, granulated sugar, and butter. Then I mixed them together. I added the baking powder, salt, and almond flour and mixed it until it is just combined. Then I folded in mashed bananas and blueberries. Next, I added a couple drops of blue food coloring and folded it into the batter a few times to give the quick bread a marbled look. In a greased loaf pan, I put the batter inside using a cookie scoop. Afterward, I tapped the loaf pan a couple of times to release air bubbles that may have been trapped inside the batter. I preheated an oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and then baked the bread for approximately 1 hour. I posted the recipe on my website, sugarcoder.com. I hope that you found this video useful. Thank you for watching and have a sweet day.